Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to turn off email notifications on your Rain app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Rain app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign here Rain app, click on it. So then it's going to for your list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So then you just click here on neighbor settings here. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So then you click here on neighborhood settings. Then you come to this list here. Then you just click here on email notification settings. Then you come here to off, click on off, and you go up, you click here on save. So then it's going to save with you on your Rain app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.